Want to resize your video in CapCut PC for YouTube Shorts, Reels, or widescreen? I'll show you 2 easy ways to do it in just a few clicks. Let's begin by importing your video to the timeline. Now look for the ratio button above the preview window. This controls your project's aspect ratio. If you want to make vertical content, select 9:16. This instantly changes your canvas size. Then, click on your video in the timeline, scale it up using the corners of the preview, and reposition it until it fits the new frame. That's the first method perfect if your entire video should follow the new format. For the second method, we'll keep the overall project in 16:9, but crop just one clip to a vertical format. To do that, drag the video onto the timeline a second time. Make sure it's selected, then click the crop icon above the preview. A new cropping interface will appear. At the bottom of this window, choose your desired aspect ratio like 9:16 and adjust the frame to highlight the part of the video you want to focus on. When you're happy with it, click Confirm. You can always come back and reposition the crop if needed. Both methods give you flexibility depending on the platform or style you're going for. If this helped you out, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And if you want more editing tips like this, consider subscribing.